and good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. I never even know the camera why they look. Any camera will catch my eye,
Like no,
you get one person who I want abuse Albert, as in I don't know.
No, mind them. They know before even you enter studio. They show us in wife of 25 years old.
I don't understand. Your work, you not go do am.
You not go do the work.
You not go do am.
He they talk to pastor. He they find excuse. He not do the work. He dey climb ladder.
He not check whether things go wrong, whether it go on or not go. Anyway, whether na your work, your work, you go do am. Anyway, now good evening and welcome on top of the night show. Today, na the 15th of May, 2015. My name is Nedu Anoskoff. Me, Katim, Easy Beat, Oskoff as na Friday now. Pastor Iheanyi. One, a joke. Pastor Iheanyi, a joke. One. Be like title.
Now my Twitter handle.
No, they must give
Iheanyi.
Pastor talk to I don't give him title by now.
Pastor say they never call you before. Say, Pastor, can you get checked as a title?
No, thank you. No, they never call.
I can walk one.
Yes. I'm not there. They do the talk this one.
Anyway, now the next show on a Friday night relationship. They when we say go check eye on top matter concerning relationship.
You know what man and woman
things.
Boy, that thing no never finish.
Now what for you, man and woman matter no never finish.
From the new thing.
What you talk? Why you go finish? Now what thing will take start world?
Yes, now.
Adam and Eve.
Come, but things they different for relationship now and then. Say.
Yes, now.
Of course now. That you see before. If they want marry, that my grandfather time. You say she like you. My daughter na good girl. Carry and go. Then he can't go time like for house now na tom 2 packets of tom you don't marry. But for here now, if you never hammer, if you never build a house, girl not go marry you.
Before you for yours carry one amper, that's all now.
Finish, eh? See people now they marry, whether you find or you're not.
If you don't get millions, you know if it marry safe.
Plug. No, don't go ask for money. Just keep ATM for the fence. Let them use them for like 6 months. If you try, they no say.
Baby, I want to marry you, but just take this ATM machine.
You know,
just warm your hand for like 6 months. Just feel me. After 6 months, then come back and come and meet
me. Oh, you don't like it? Maybe give you two. Full
ATM machine. People they marry. Somebody marry for Edo State today. The man very handsome man.
Very. If you see them now. He be like, you know, say that thing, they say beauty and the beast, but I say no, say na prince and princess.
Prince and princess, very handsome man.
Beautiful.
Labour! We must go with NLC. Very handsome man.
Very sweet-looking man and sweet-looking woman.
See, man, what away marry. All of them, they keep beard gang, 6-pack.
No, but nothing like that people follow them.
You know what? See, he get 6-pack.
No, nothing.
See him face.
Now, a very ordinary man of the people. I know, grassroots man. A man of the grassroots. And then if you see him, princess.
Oh. Anyway, today's topic, we'll go check eye on top for today's topic for Relationship Friday. We'll go check eye on maximizing singlehood.
In other words, are you single and you are enjoying your singleness?
You have to that singleness where you do maximize them well.
But you know, see people know they enjoy their singleness.
No, people know.
Now after they don't marry, they can't say, oh,
that's why they single. Not this one.
I forgo out.
If to say, but they come back and say all the singles now they just sit down, they wait to be Mr. and Mrs.
Now what for you? No, now women now girls they wait for them more.
They could say, I don't hear this one. We say, I don't want to buy motor. Me no.
Me not pursue my suitor.
You know, me no be like say I too hold.
Me no be like to get money. The man go come to fear me.
But why men they fear like that?
And you know, say that one a very interesting subject because it can be like say society subconsciously don't tell single girls make them not succeed.
Exactly. Subconsciously.
Say no succeed though. Say if you over succeed, if you spoil something. You know, and meanwhile, now the thing where they sell man. As the man they succeed, they more eligible to marry. So why do woman no need to be successful while man they still come, making the warm ground, they earn your money, they plan. When man come, it could just be additional fusion. Some of them go, but when you tell a woman say, okay, get 10M to buy motor for what? Why over 10? Bring 800K, buy one small golf. Just they take the go walk.
But Pastor, before we start the topic of today, proper, we'll go break, come back. But this thing where you talk to now, I know one girl for Kaduna that time. What's be her name?
No call the name.
No, I can't remember her name. Okay, I don't remember her name.
No call the name.
This girl, now for the company where I be the work that time for Kaduna, this girl they earn as in say she not get salary after months at that time. Like 3 years said what did I talk? Yeah, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 2009 to 2010. Say this girl they collect money that time as salary na 400K. 400,000 every month.
Which kind of work?
She stay in Papa's house.
And she they live on her own. Now, this girl not they look ordinary boys again. Now, men, Alhaji there for Kaduna. Now, so that kind where the matter come back, probably say any single guy will come. She go wash you down because you know.
It can't be like say you know they have
level. You know they are level.
See, now there the balance there now. You don't know why this relationship counseling and relationship coaching now big deal. Sometimes when you succeed like that and you don't see the way men they treat some of those women, you don't see the way men they treat girls when not to try, when not to for their mind, they will just tell themselves, say, no man will do this thing.
I must hammer.
So once they get money like that, even when a decent man will come meet them, they don't know how to talk normally. They need to show them, say them till they try. So maybe the first day when they go out, and take them go okay place where they spend maybe 8K, then chop, drink. When she say, okay, make me I take you out, she won't prove to them. Say she too hold. So when she won't take her, she go take and go where she go spend 50K. Meaning say, if you know step up, you know go follow me play. If you know, and if she don't understand how that thing they work, she go fear the man, she go pursue the man. So the fear where people they get before now, if you buy girl disc man for Valentine, she buy you motor. You know how your own won't take be next year.
Anyway, more glass, more chicken in break for you. When we come back, we will continue to proper on top the topic of today's night show, maximizing singlehood for the night show. When they come back.